Welcome to another episode of Tech Tidbits, where we dive into the fascinating world of technology, tools, and tweaks that can enhance your experience. Today, we're exploring something a bit different: GRUB themes. You might be wondering, what's a GRUB theme? Well, here's the scoop. So imagine you're about to boot your computer. You see that familiar text interface, but what if it were a bit more stylish? That's where GRUB, which stands for Grand Unified Bootloader, comes in. It might not sound exciting, but trust me, with the right theme, it can be a canvas for creativity. Now here's the catch. There are tons of community-made themes out there, but they're scattered across various websites. As one keen user pointed out, while Pling is now the go-to site for GRUB themes, many of them lack the flair we all crave. So I decided to gather a list of decent ones I've stumbled upon to help you jazz up your bootloader. And let's be real, while not every theme is a masterpiece, they all show a level of effort. Many come with custom backgrounds, unique fonts, and color palettes just waiting to be explored. What's even better? They're super easy to tweak. For example, let's say you stumble upon a layout that you absolutely love, but the background just isn't doing it for you. You can swap it out in a heartbeat. Just dive into the themes folder, replace the image with one of your own, and voila. Or maybe you want to change how things are positioned. No problem. With a little editing in the theme.txt file, you can manipulate elements to your heart's content. Now, if color schemes are more your thing, each color is designated by a hex value, and switching them out is a piece of cake. Plus, for those with an eye for typography, you can even convert fonts into a format that GRUB understands. A little command called GRUB MK font can help with that. Anyway, speaking of customization, I made a fun script called the Background Cycler. It allows you to automatically rotate your theme's background each time you reboot your system. How cool is that for some freshness every time you start up? Now, if you're feeling inspired and want to give a themed makeover to your bootloader, let's talk about how you can contribute to the community. If you find a theme that resonates with you, give it a rating on Pling or star its repository on GitHub. Believe me, it makes a world of difference. Creators often don't receive feedback, and a little recognition can be a huge motivator for them. Here's a quick rundown of some standout themes to check out. GRUB Cycle, if you like text that moves and grooves. SteamOS and Persona 5 Royal, perfect for gamers who want to show some love for their favorite titles. Cyberpunk 2077 and Aero Elegant, because who doesn't want a little futuristic flair on their boot screen? Overall, whether you're a Linux pro or just dabbling in the world of boot customization, there's a universe of themes ready for you to explore. So if you're looking to add a touch of personality to an otherwise mundane part of your computing experience, I invite you to dive into the world of GRUB themes. Before we wrap up, let's leave you with a little challenge. Why not try customizing a theme this week and share your creation with the community? Who knows, you might inspire someone else to do the same. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep exploring and customizing.